Hello, my name is Deke Bake and I'm an agent for New Western Acquisitions. This is a house that we purchased in well-established neighborhood of North Dallas. We bought this house for $255,000 and we're planning to do a full remodel on the inside of the house. Now let's go do a quick walk through the property. Now that you've seen the property and you see the potential that it has, let me show you what we're going to do to it. We're really emphasizing on the master bedroom and the kitchen in this property. That's typically what's going to sell a house. We're doing everything new in here. New cabinets, countertops, tile on the floors, and stainless steel appliances, so it's not even going to look like it looks right now. We're also blowing out the master bedroom, making 2 small bedrooms into 1 huge bedroom with a huge walk-in closet and master bath. Well, let's get this rehab started, and I'll see you in a few weeks. I'm Deke Bake with New Western Acquisitions, and here we are at our North Dallas Buy Fix Sell project. We're all complete, we're ready to list it today, and we're gonna go ahead and do a walkthrough and see everything that we've done. From the front, we've done some minor landscaping throughout, trimmed back these trees, planted some flowers, and put new shutters on the windows, repainted all the fascia, put in a new pillar, and also installed some slate on this entryway, so it makes a world of difference. In this entryway, we cut back the entrance 2 feet on each side, got rid of all the shelves and all the unnecessary things. We installed some hand-scraped hardwoods throughout the entire property. In here, we repainted the fireplace, covered up the ugly orange brick, made it look a lot newer and modern, installed new French door here, and opened up this wall right here into the formal living area. So in here we repainted and textured new fixtures and covered up these outdated pillars with some newer modern looking pillars. So in the kitchen, we completely gutted the kitchen. All new cabinets, granite countertops, stainless appliances, new tile on the floor. As you can see, it makes a world of difference. This looks really nice. Nice backsplash over here. Originally, this house started off as a 4-bedroom, 3-bath. We actually turned it into a 3-bedroom, 3.5 bath. This is a new bathroom, half bath, that we added for guests because we turned the master into a ginormous master suite. One of our big focus on this project, on any high-end property, is going to be the kitchen and the master bedroom and bathroom. We put most of the money in both of those areas. As you can see, we turned 2 small bedrooms into 1 large master. We have 2 walk-in closets, a his and her closet, and an additional closet over by the bed. So there's plenty of storage space in here. And for the bathroom, we redid everything. Redid the plumbing to where we have dual sinks, his and her sinks in here. This awesome stand-up shower. New bathtub, new toilet, new tile, everything. This bathroom originally, as you remember, was nice and pink tile all throughout. Replaced all the tile, new hardware, and it looks good. All right, in this back spare room, we did all new tile, new vanity in here, new mirror, and just basically cleaned it all up. We replaced all the doors and the hardware throughout this entire house, just to give it a better, more modern look. As you can see, one of the big traumatic changes of this house is the backyard. Originally this was a big ugly add-on that we went ahead and ripped out. The landscaping was big bushes and shrubs all throughout here. We're having this new arbor put in right now. There was a shed right here that we had to get rid of, and also there was a fence along this line covered in bushes that we got rid of. Well, now that you've seen the property and the rehab that we've done, we're real excited. We got this thing listed today, and the next step is just to wait for an offer. New Western Acquisitions, our company, is an investment real estate brokerage firm. So if you or anybody that you know is interested in buying distressed properties, possibly fixing them up and selling them, or holding on to them as rental properties, being a landlord, give us a call. That's all we specialize. We deal with anywhere from 35 to 40 houses a month. My name's Deke Bake, and the company's New Western Acquisitions.